Prime Minister Narendra Modi on Saturday received a delegation of foreign ministers from Arab countries, along with the Secretary General of the League of Arab States and the head of Arab delegation, who are in India to participate in the second India-Arab Foreign Ministers meeting. During the interaction, the Prime Minister highlighted the deep and historic people-to-people ties between India and the Arab world, noting that these enduring connections have continued to inspire and strengthen bilateral relations over the years. Outlining his vision for the India-Arab partnership in the coming years, he reaffirmed India's commitment to further deepen cooperation in trade and investment, energy, technology, healthcare, and other priority areas for the mutual benefit of the people of the countries. The Prime Minister also reiterated India's continued support for the people of Palestine and welcomed ongoing peace efforts, including the Gaza peace plan. He conveyed his appreciation for the important role the Arab League in supporting efforts towards regional peace and stability. The report News Now.